Where we thrive.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Note to self: when this shit pops off, stop talking.
In outdoor extreme, we play like pros. Lebanon Airsoft, we bring the blows. Duck and dodge and paint like freaking crows. Got the team hyped up, it always shows. Masks on tight and guns are cocked. Lebanon Airsoft, always locked. Sneaking through the haze, guns ain't blocked. We're the wild cards, we can't be mocked. Bang bang shots ring out clear. Get you running like a frightened deer. Airsoft warriors bringing fear. Laughing loud, no room for tears. Strategy tight, we taking the hill. Outsmarting foes gives us the thrill. Talk your smack, you know we will. In the heat of the game, we've got the kill. Laughing hard as we duck and dive. Seeing your face as you take 5. Airsoft kings, we come alive. At Outdoor Extreme, where we thrive. Shielding up while the BBs fly. Lebanon squad just skimming by. Dodging rounds with a gleam in our eye. In this field, ain't no deny. It all for the cash. Cool sport smacking ass on that hash. Just stand up on that bust the trash. And look like faces, blizz that gash. Cool sterile down in intervals. My buddy go my cool sport says the cold. Of course, and same base is the post. While I'm cool specking from the move on to go. First rear from your back of the gun. The jewel of a vision gas on the con. We shut down the bin, fucking triple the shot. Cool sports, close crazy, just won that jump. The loose source color just won that rest. I'm every row my hallways comes a fest. When I'm walking in G-Star, bunch of dress. Old muzzle in team 3 till the sex. That's hard extreme, we play like pros. Lebanon Airsoft, we bring the blows. Duck and dodge and paint like freaking crows. Got the team hyped up, it always shows. Masks on tight and guns are cocked. Lebanon Airsoft, always locked. Sticking through the haze, guns ain't blocked. We're the wild cards, we can't be mocked.